I think it's very clear, the first quarter or the first half is the culprit, because we didn't play the way we played before. But credit it to the game plan of Batok and Tex. They were able to contain our shooter. And if you notice, ang gumawa sa amin for big man. Okay, I think that's 54 points from Dimar Fajardo at saka si Rodney. But our wingman specialist in the bench namin, hindi but sabi mo, credit sa defense line. They're trying to deny the ball to getting to the wingman recipient, mga enter pass. Ganyan. And they have a very clear game plan nila is talaga to stop our bench, especially yung mga perimeter shooter namin.
Coach, wala yung kumpiyansa ng line kami nang hinabol nyo and almost stole the game, lalo na naka-stick Jericho, baskets.
Ayan na ni-address ko doon sa team bago kami maghiwa-hiwalay. Imagine in the second half, we beat them by 12 points. Unfortunately, 17 points yung lamang nila sa amin. That's why nag-96-91. So the main fact na we're able to get that kind of production in the second half. So the chance is still there. It's a matter of mindset. This is championship game. Every possession is very important, especially in the first quarter. But we give up a lot of 3 points. The first quarter, especially Enciso was able to score a lot. And then si Boy Eram, very crucial, tumira, ganyan. So I think next time siguro may adjust lahat and then we should have a better plan. This is a best of 7, so we have to adjust.